Hi, I'm Omar, and today I will walk you through how you can extract data from printed papers into Excel. Many of us think it's a very long process and needs a lot of manual work, while it's not. It just takes few clicks. So let's go and see how we can do that.
So I have this image of a table from a book, which I took a picture of, and I want to import it into Microsoft Excel. So in order to do that, I will go into Excel and I will go into the Data tab. From there, I will get data and I will choose Picture from File. Here is the picture that I want to import its data into the Excel. I will select it. So as you can see on the right side, data from the picture is being analyzed and prepared. And here you can see that I got this table here. But as you can see, there is some data that need to be reviewed, because if we press here, we can see this note from Excel that some data highlighted need to be edited because they may not be correct. Also, Excel recommended using good lighting and crop the image to the edges of the table before using it in this feature. Or sometimes Excel cannot recognize some characters. So make sure always to take a very good picture with high quality and with good light for a table before you try to use this Excel data. And in all cases, you always need to review your data because sometimes there may be some additional rows, columns, or some misspelling. So I'll press on review. I can see here that Excel recognized an extra cell that does not exist, but I will remove it, press accept. So now I don't have anything else to review, but I still have an extra row. So I will insert the data, and as you can see again, you are responsible for validating the accuracy of all data. I will insert the data on my responsibility, and then again I will review here. All data seems to be correct, except that I have an empty row here, which I can delete. And now I have the table in Excel. I can format it as a table. I can add some colors and make it more attractive. But the important thing is the data itself is now in Excel.
Now that you saw how easy it is to do it, I hope it saves you time and effort. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you.